Hi everybody, it is Tristan here from the EdTech Teacher and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I am going to go and show you 4 really simple ways to access Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets and Google Drawings that mean you don't have to go into G Suite every time you want to use one of these awesome Google tools. Let's get started and have a look at some really simple ways to be able to access these Google tools in another way that is not through G Suite. All right, so let's say that we're working and we would like to create a new Google document, but we don't have the time to go and log into G Suite and open a new Google document from that particular way. Well, there's a really simple shortcut that we can type into our Omnibox or our address bar that we can go and use to access Google Docs instantly. So all we do is we head up to our Omnibox or address bar and we're going to type in docs.google.com and it's going to take us straight to Google Docs. Now in this case, I haven't logged in, so I'm going to log into Google here so that I can then access my Google Docs documents from the Omnibox and address bar rather than going into G Suite. So I'm not going to take a tour because I know what to do, but you can see here that everything that I find going to Google Docs through G Suite is available for me. I can start a blank document, I can use one of these cool templates that are available, and I can look at any recent documents that I've created. So instead of going through G Suite to access a new Google Docs document, just head to docs.google.com. All right, just like we just did for Google Docs, we can do the same process for Google Slides so that we don't have to go to G Suite to open up our new Google Slides slide deck. So let's head up to our Omnibox or the address bar, and we're going to type in slides.google.com. I hope you can start to see some kind of process that Google used here to make it really easy for us to be able to access the range of Google tools that are available. So same with Google Docs, we can start a new presentation. We can use the myriad of templates in the template gallery. And we can also access any recently created presentations that we have created using Google Slides. So going and using slides.google.com is a really quick and easy way to access Google Slides rather than having to go into G Suite and go to Google Slides that way. Yep, I'm pretty sure that you've guessed it. We're going to do the same process so that we can go and access Google Sheets if we would like to use Google Sheets. So we're going to head up to our Omnibox or the address bar, and we're going to type in sheets.google.com, and it's going to open up Google Sheets for us so that we can access brand new Google Sheets. We can access the range of templates or any spreadsheets that we have created. So going up and typing in sheets.google.com will take us to Google Sheets using the Omnibox or address bar rather than going through G Suite itself. All right, the last quick access tip for using G Suite products is looking at Google Drawings. Now, this is probably the only application we're going to show you in this video that actually using the quick access link might actually be beneficial. Because if you are trying to find Google Drawings from G Drive, you're going to have to click on your new button, and then you're going to have to scroll down and click on the More tab because Google Drawings is located in the More tab in the News section on Google Drive. So going in and using the shortcut might actually be quicker than going in and making those several clicks to access it using Google Drive. So I'm going to head up to my Omnibox on my address bar, and I'm going to type in drawings.google.com. drawings.google.com to access Google Drawings. If you've never used Google Drawings before, it's a fantastic tool that's basically a blank piece of paper that you can do pretty much anything with. So when you get into Google Drawings, you don't go to a similar page like Docs, Slides, and Sheets. You just go to your template that you can use for your Google Drawing creation. So going to drawings.google.com is a really quick way to access Google Drawings if you would like to use it in your classroom today.